Let's take a look now at configuring actions in Discover. We can open the Actions panel from the Report ribbon, and then we work our way through this wizard. So we can start by giving a title to our action and selecting a trigger element. The trigger element can be the report itself or a hierarchy in the report. It can be a member in the report, or it can be the cells in the query. The action can be either jumping to another report in Discover or to a specified URL, and we can also select whether or not to include the context, meaning that the output will be filtered by interactions we've made in Discover, such as selecting a slice from a slicer. So I'll add an action to jump to URL, and my trigger element here is cells, and I'll choose captions. So we'll take a look at a simple example. I'll add the URL, being careful to make sure that it's in inverted commas and followed by a plus sign. And I'll remove the hierarchies and delimiter argument from the function. So now when I right click on a cell, this action is available. And here we see that in the output, I have all of the captions from the cell that I clicked on. If I go back and edit the action, I can determine that only specific hierarchies will show up in the captions. So let's say I only want to see manufacturer and product category. I can add those here under the data set. And I can choose a delimiter if I want to. This is optional, and if we don't select a delimiter, then the default delimiter will be a comma. So now when I select the action again, here we see that we only see the captions for manufacturer and product category, and we don't see the caption for country anymore. So that's a brief overview of configuring actions. You can find more information in the relevant help topics.